Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up and send emails from your Squarespace website. So let's get right into it. Now, what we're going to be using for this is email campaigns, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make one. Now, the way you do this is you go into your contacts tab in the left-hand side menu, then you go into lists and segments. Here you can see some email lists or mailing lists that you have, and as you can see the number of contacts in each mailing list. Now, if I entered this mailing list, you could very easily see that I can export it, rename it here, but if I click on it, you'll see that I have added myself here on this mailing list. You can just go ahead and click add subscribers and manually upload them or upload them from a CSV file list. I already have one contact, and that is myself currently on my mailing list, and as you can see, it has been manually added. My account does accept marketing at the moment, so now we can go ahead and create a campaign. So if I click create a campaign, from here you can go ahead and configure everything you want or configure. As you can see under marketing and email campaigns, you can select an email campaign to send. So for example, let's see this one. Then I can use this template to start mailing, and now once I select that template, I can edit it further if I wanted to. However, let's say that this is everything that I want. I can then go ahead and go back, and now we're taken back to the email campaigns slide or the tab. Now, as you can see, you need a checklist to start sending. As you can see, I've selected a template, I've created a mailing list, then I'll need to add sender details. So I'll add a sender. In my case, I'll add myself, test site, and sender email. I'll just select, I don't know. Let me try this for now. And as you can see, these emails might be sent to spam, so I don't care. Let's just click next. Email verification. Yeah, here you enter your verification code, which I'll just skip. And as you can see, sender details have been saved. And now if I go back to email campaigns, everything has been set up. And now we can go ahead and send our campaign. And let's just create a campaign again, and whoops, it took me back here. But yeah, as you can see, mailing lists have been moved. We've created a mailing list and everything, and now that campaign has been set. This is the draft for my campaign that I've created. So let's just go ahead and click edit again, and here we can set up if we want to publish it or not. I'm pretty sure. So if we go into email, as you can see, you can send to recipients from here, and you do need to upgrade your account, but if you have a upgraded plan, you can go ahead and send from here, and that is all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.